Hello everyone! Today with this video tutorial I show you how to do the closure of the work with the double crochet when we are working in the circular rows. The classic closure of the double crochet round is this, with a slip stitch in the first chain, and we make a slip stitch in this way, but the result is this line. And this is fine for the hidden works, like the inside of a sleeve, for example. But if you want the linear and perfect closure, I show you how to do. We have the end of the row. I enter in the first chain of the row, and I close this with a single crochet and 2 chains. And we go to work in the same stitch, a double crochet, but not all. I close only the first 2 loops, and the third remains in the crochet hook. Now I go to work the same stitch in the next stitch of the base. I work only the first 2 loops. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, and I close all together, and I go to finish the round stitch on stitch. I'm back at the end of the round, and I go to work in the same way. This is the single crochet, 1 and 2 chains. I go in the first chain and work a single crochet and 2 chains. Yarn over, enter in the same stitch, and I work only the first 2 loops of the stitch. Yarn over. Now I go in the next stitch of the base, and I work only the first 2 loops. Now I have 3 loops in the hook, and I close all together and continue the rest of the round. At the end, I close in the same way. You can see that the work is very beautiful, it's very clean. You have another way. The third way is this. You close with a single crochet and only 1 chain, and the second double crochet in the second chain of the base, and you follow to work the rest of the round. Repeat. This is the single crochet, this is the chain. In the chain I go to work another single crochet and another chain, and the second double crochet in the second stitch. And these are the 3 methods for closing. I recommend the first, this, only for the hidden works, the second and the third for all the works. Well, this short tutorial is over. I thank you for watching me, and I wait for you, if you want, to the next one with my ugly English, but with all my heart. Kisses from Italy.